What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're checking out 3 different hotels in Siem Reap at 3 different price ranges. My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find without sea. Meet people, eat foods, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
So this is the first night for my Siem Reap trip at King Rock Residence. And this is what it looks like when you walk in. And this is where they meet you and they explain everything, kind of like an orientation, and they meet you with a welcome drink. And they show you this is the pool, this is that, and this place is also a spa. So you can get massages, and if you're staying here, you get 15% off massages and the spa stuff. There's a really nice little pathway to the room, but first, this place comes with a free breakfast. I've already stayed here overnight. It's the morning right now, so let's go grab some food and see what they've got for the included breakfast. So there's 3 styles of breakfast to choose from. You could have like a Western style, like cereal, or Asian style. So I went with like a Western Eggs Benedict. So see, and then there's a place to get the drinks over there. So they have coffee and water and juice. So I totally smashed that. It's time to go take a look at the room, and I got a jacuzzi room, so check this out. So back through the lobby, then there's a walkway here. Check out this jacuzzi. Yeah, so that's the King Rock Residence here in Siem Reap. So I'm here now at the second hotel. This one was more medium priced, like $28 a night. Central Corner d'Angkor. So you come in, it's like the lobby here. Then on the right is like the bar and restaurant. And they have a gift shop. If you walk past that, it's the pool area. There's even a pool bar here, so you could swim up to the bench there and have a drink in the pool. It's really nice with all like tons of huge palm trees everywhere, and it adds privacy because then you can't see across into the thing. There's this huge palm tree in the way. So I arrived here yesterday, so I've already slept the night, and it was really cool. I'll show you the room after, but part of my reservation comes with a free breakfast, just like the other place. So So I went up to the front desk and asked them to check about the free breakfast and told them my room number, and they looked into it and they said I don't get any breakfast. But I think I paid like $5 more in a go to have the one that does include breakfast. But I didn't argue. I said, oh, okay, that's going to be in the video. So I kind of got scammed on the breakfast. So we just came up these stairs around the back of the pool. It's these stairs going up one level, and it wraps around. So it's my third day here in Siem Reap, and now I'm checking into the hostel, but it's just till tonight because I'm getting on the night bus tonight. And it's at Darling Pub Hostel. It's those rooms that have all the bunk beds and everything. And it's only paying $3 a night. So this is the entrance. So this is where you check in when you come in, and then there's a big waiting area. You can wait here while they're setting up what room you need. And then they'll lead you up the stairs here to the rooms. But before we go up there, let's go check out the restaurant and the pool over here. There's a pool here, and they've got little toys and balls and stuff you can throw into they have a hoop over here too. It's crazy how affordable it is here, especially if you came with a group of all your own friends and filled a room with just people you know, then you're not even with any strangers. All right, let's walk through and go check out what the rooms look like. Up the stairs. This one's mine, so you can get in there and you just shut the curtain, and there's a place to charge your phone. And so there's 8 beds and there's 2 bathrooms, and then just outside the bathroom there's a sink. It's great. There's no one even in here right now. There's other people staying in here, but they're out on trips. So when I arrived, I could charge my stuff. I took a shower, and I didn't even interact with anyone in here at all. As I said, at 10 p.m. I'm out of here on the night bus, so I don't even really have to sleep over here. And a couple little facts you should know if you want to stay here. They don't allow you to bring in any outside food or drinks, but in their bar here they have all types of food, Western, Asian, pizza, breakfast, everything, and they've got beer and drinks and pop. They have everything here, so they don't want you bringing in anything from the outside, especially when you're only staying here for like $3. Yeah, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
Life is tall.